Hi everyone, today I'll teach you how to set up the full channel pairing operation of the RB48Plus. Radio A to transmit signal, radio B to receiver signal. We are demonstrating to transmit the data from A to B. First of all, set up A as the transmitter mode. First step, in the state of shutdown. Press and hold down the front of the RTT key and the call key. At the same time, turn on the power. After you hear the ringing sound, release these two keys. You can see the background light shows purple. Second step, set up radio B. Press the PTT key plus the monitor key. At the same time, power on. After hearing a sound, release the PPT key. Then, the two radios are set up. Third step, press the PPT key of radio A to transmit the signal. Be sure to press the side of the key. At this time, you can see that the background color will change to red, which means that the data being transmit data then has been copied successfully. Fourth step, turn off and then turn on the radio A. Radio off and then turn on. It's out of launch mode now. Thanks for watching.